guys, it's Miss Brittany and you're watching 321 Preschool Fun. Today I'm going to show you a very simple circus inspired pom-pom ball drop that I created. What I did was I took an old Amazon box that I was going to recycle anyways and I repurposed it. So I cut it on the top where the flap would have been so that there was an opening, and then I took some colored construction paper and glued it to the box so it wouldn't be just a boring cardboard color. I chose black for the sides, white on top as a contrast for the colors, and on the front some black and white pattern alternating them so that they'd be in stripes and look more like a circus game. And next I took an old toilet paper roll. You can also use paper towel rolls and cut them in half or in thirds if you choose. And I got some really bright, vibrant construction paper I found on Amazon, and I just put some glue on the paper towel roll, cut the piece of paper according to size, and I just rolled the toilet paper on the construction paper and then cut any extra length that wasn't needed. When I was done with all the paper towel or toilet paper rolls, then I put it on top of the box and traced it with pencil so that I could use an X-Acto knife and cut out circles to push the holes through. I chose to have the top of the paper towel roll showing still some of their color. I could also have it lower if I would like. But this way, it was more visually easy for my son, who's almost a year and a half, to see the color on top. And I put these really cool popsicle sticks that are colored. It had all the colors I needed except for pink. So all I did was take an extra one, glue some of the pink construction paper on it, and it worked just fine. This also draws the eye to the appropriate color that the pom-pom will be dropped in. And it also just looks more fun, like I said, circus inspired. So this game teaches color recognition. It helps with hand-eye coordination to bring the ball to each appropriate tube. And it also is a good fine motor activity since the children will have to grab the pom-poms using their pincher finger like this and putting it into the appropriate drop. So all they do, you can dump these out or you can have it already sorted. It's up to you according to the child's age even. They choose the pom-pom that they would like and they have to find the correlating color, drop it in, and the way I set it up, the pom-poms will not go all over the place. It'll be caught by this front piece right here. And my son has already enjoyed it. I'm going to attach a video of him trying it out a few times. Also, if you really like the colored paper I chose and the popsicle sticks and the pom-poms, I will just attach the link from the Amazon place that I ordered it from so that you can get this one, or you can choose any of your favorite stores to choose the items for this. You don't have to use pom-poms. You can use any rainbow colored assorted small objects. Yeah, that's about it. Very simple, budget friendly since most of the items I already had around the house. And it's awesome just to repurpose something and have something fun for your young child versus the same old toys that they have bought from the store. All right, I will show you the video of my son playing with this. I'll see it in the right tube and then it'll match. That's green. Welcome back. I'm here with my son Easton. He is almost a year and a half. And we are playing the pom-pom ball drop game. So all Easton has to do is find a colored pom-pom and try to match it with the appropriate color. What color do you want to choose, Easton? That one, that's the pink. That's red. Red, yeah, we're still working on color, so this is good practice. Which one's red? Which one? That's purple. Try again. Blue. Where's the red? Which one? Red. That's green. Blue. Purple. No, you want to try a different one? Oh, he sees the other pom-poms that are already inside. That is purple. Good job. Where does it go? That's right. Can you put it inside? Yeah, put it inside. Good job. See the concentration it requires at this age to put the pom-pom inside. Good job, buddy. Can you do green? Like your shirt, green? Yep, like your shirt. Where does the green go? All right, which one? Very good job. Yay. Can you do orange? He's so proud of himself right now. Can you do orange? Blue. You can do blue. Okay, where does it go? Blue, blue, yeah. Which one's the blue? Which color? Where does it go? Thinking about it. Good job! Yay! A little flimsy. I just gotta fix this tape, but that's okay. Very easy fix. That's orange. Where does the orange go? Orange. Thinking about it. Good job. All right, Easton, can you say bye-bye? We'll catch you guys next time. Thank you so much for joining us today on 321 Preschool Fun. I am Miss Brittany, and I hope you guys can watch some more videos, and this can help you and your families. If you do enjoy my videos, please give them a thumbs up on my YouTube channel, and also subscribe so you can be up to date on when my new videos come out, and also look over some of the ones I've made in the past. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.